we're going to do some integration problems that are u sub with e to the x. And the reason why I have e to the x in quotation marks is because what we're going to have are things that look like, oh, I don't know, something like that. Okay, so it's not really e to the x, it's e to disgusting stuff. Okay, so how we're going to tackle these problems is that you're going to let u equal the exponent. Just the exponent, not e to the exponent, but just the exponent. Okay. Now what's going to happen is that this dx and 2x is still left to trade because what I have so far is 2x e to the u dx. So this is my half translation. I have it half in x's and half in u's, and I need to finish the trade. So as we've seen in the previous videos, when I go to do a u sub, I take the derivative of u, so I get 2x dx. And you can see that in this example, we have what's called a perfect trade. Exactly what I have left is exactly what I need to trade for du. So this is going to turn into the integral of e to the u du. Okay, now we know the integral of e to the x is e to the x. Well, it turns out the integral of e to the u is also e to the u. Okay, now don't put a plus c on it. We need to go back to what u equals. So if I go back over here, I see that u equals x squared plus 1. So that's what I'm going to put here. Plus c. All right, let's do another example if I've got enough room on my board. Okay, so how about if I did the example of the integral of 5 e to the 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, not as disgusting as the previous one, but I still have weirdness up here. So I'm going to let u equal 2x plus 1. Okay, so this piece right here is going to turn into my u, and I still have a 5 dx to trade. All right, well, let's see how I can make this deal happen. du is going to equal 2 dx. I can't really make the 5 and the 2 look like each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to match the dx, move the 2 to the other side. Okay, and we'll go ahead and leave the 5 there as well and let the coefficients battle it out. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have the 5, e to the u, and then that dx is going to trade for 1/2 du. Okay, so let me write it. I'd have the 5, the e to the u, and then my 1/2 du. Awesome. Okay, so that 5/2 is just going to hang out. It's just a coefficient. And the integral of e to the u is just e to the u. And then I'm going to replace it with what u equals, which is 2x plus 1. And then plus c. I did have enough room. Boom. All right. Good luck.